large amount of flax seeds. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, this is yogurt. Never mind.
Flaxseed or no? Avocado.
The bottom one. Wait, this is also yogurt. Why do you put the flax seed in the yogurt container? Which cupboard? Right next to me. I'm keeping this in. I'm keeping this talking. Because every Asian household, especially every Bangladeshi household, the container doesn't contain.
Find out without mother.
Yeah, that. And the container doesn't contain the actual thing. Like this is a yogurt container, but it's containing flax seeds. So it's a difficult time to find the correct things.
Seed container acid to. আমি ফালাই দিছি নষ্ট হয়ে গেছে
Oh.
তনে তো বন্ধ নাই শপটা মানে কইতে না
Yeah, true. It smells delicious, this flax seed. So I just topped it up with a little bit of dates and a little bit of gooseberry, and I added a bit more honey. And now I'm just going to eat this, and I'm going to eat something else as well, which I'll show you after. So here I have some toasted brown bread with boiled potato and spinach and lemon. And my mum is eating bread, toasted brown bread with some flax seeds on top, couscous and some vegetables at the side. Very healthy. And the rest of the Ramadan vlog is our iftari from last year that did not make it to our channel, so we're posting it alongside with this year's Ramadan. So me and my mum were starting to prepare our iftari. We started to prepare it early as the roast that we're making needs quite a few hours to marinate, so it's nice and juicy. So we have quite a number of spices. I'm just going to mix with ginger and garlic paste and yogurt. So if you want a full tutorial on this, just leave a comment down below and we'll sure make one. Smells amazing. Yeah. And whilst my mum is doing that, I'll be just making homemade granola fresh. This is not a full tutorial. If you also want a full tutorial on this, it's very healthy. Just comment down below. So we finished mixing our roast, so we're going to leave this in the fridge for 2 hours. In the meanwhile, trying to finish the granola. There. Just gonna quickly, hands are clean, don't worry. Mix that quickly. My mum is just removing extra stuff from the oven. Remember this tray? Now we're just pouring in some oil. Now we're preparing stuff for the oven. So this is just a basic chocolate cake, our granola, and a salmon fish, which we marinated in homemade masala. And we just picked fresh mint and chives from our garden, placing that on top, covering with our tin foil. I'm going to bake in the oven at 180 degrees. I'm going to bake these as well. Where's your gloves? So this is the time and we're preparing the iftari. This is what me and my mum are going to be having. Some pulao, which is made with sweet corn, green pea and carrot pulao with salmon fish, which we showed you earlier, and chives. This is some tamarind chutney. We got tamarind chutney recipes, I'll link that in the description. Some plain yogurt, some parotas. We got a laid parota recipe as well. If you're interested, I'll link that in the description. This is what my sisters and my dad is going to be having, and my brother, I think, is the roost, all nice and decorated. My dad can't wait. This is the cake for dessert. Looks delicious, topped with cream and chocolate. And dates, of course, to break our fast. These dates are really nice and soft. Now I'm not going to be having the cake because there's gulab jamuns and I absolutely love gulab jamuns. And we also have a gulab jamun recipe on our channel. Now we also have salad, of course. We always have a double salad on the table. And this is my water already. Good to stay hydrated. Now this is what we have today. And all we have to do is now wait. This is it. Very simple sehri. Usually I'm tired at sehri time, so I want something simple, and this is very simple to eat. I'm just gonna go and enjoy this and sit with my mum. So for today's iftari, we obviously have gulab jamuns and khala jamuns with cream for dessert. We have homemade parotas, they're nice and crispy. We have some vegetable pulao with salad, meat curry with okra. There's the meat curry with okra. We also have a tub full of salad if some people want some more salad. And dates, obviously, to break our fast with. Is there anything else, Amma?
No.
Mum said there's nothing else today, but this is plenty. Can't wait to eat.